This is Ray, W2RE. I'm here in Summit. I had some loose coax up here, so I came up here, just taped up all the coax. The coax loops were all messed up, so we did a quick repair. I'm here in the northern Catskills, about 180 miles north of New York City, and just look at this view. There's the house down there with the other towers behind it. I'm sitting at 2,100 feet above sea level. And this is one of the best locations in ham radio right here in the northern Catskill Mountains. I'm approximately at 100 feet. And I got above me a 2-element 30, 40 and a 12, 17 meter above it. And this is what we do. We build big stations for others to enjoy to operate.